Well, hey, my roadies, Road Trip Dave is coming at you from Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. That's right. I'm going to film you guys the whole ride. We're going to check out the inside and the outside of this new attraction here at Walt Disney World. So stay right there and buckle up. Remy's Ratatouille Adventure Ride is located in the France Pavilion in EPCOT's World Showcase. The entrance for the ride can be found to the right of the building, just along this walkway here. As we take a look around at the additional detail and features in the queue of the ride, you know the drill, my roadies. Chokeslam that like button, leave a comment and share, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to know when I post new videos and live streams. Please follow me on my other social media with the links shown below. And if you want to support my channel, you can do that on PayPal. The France Pavilion has truly been expanded for this ride to include a crepe cafe, fountain area, and common square. You truly feel as if you're in a small city block of Paris. You will note the entrance to the ride is themed after a quaint theater, with characters from the Ratatouille movie being shown as the stars. The standby time for the wait line when we visited was posted as 60 minutes, but it was actually around 45 to 50 minutes. Disney's attention to detail within the line queue was still impeccable, even showing the wallpaper featuring Remy and his brother Emile. From that small area, we come to a rooftop of the city in Paris featuring Gusteau, Remy's inspiration. Here is where you truly start feeling immersed into the story.
Tout le monde sait que la meilleure cuisine du monde se déguse ici à Paris. Et ce soir, Remy, le plus grand cuisinier de la capitale, s'apprête à vous concocter une petite blague. Tout le monde peut cuisiner, mais personne ne cuisine comme Remy.
Next, we make our way through a French artist's apartment. Let's just check it out. After this corridor, we are given 3D glasses before walking to the ride loading area. The ride is trackless, so the rat cart will move in different directions. Let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the sights and sounds of this cool dark ride.
Hi, you're also going to see Erica? Yeah. The last one. Why am I back?
Venez, suivez-moi. Mais chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Les hommes, les invités pour le dîner.
Hein? Pour le repas idéal. Coco vin? Non. Simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it!
Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. And guys, the food is for them, not you. You?
What are you doing? Que manigancez-vous?
That's funny. Oh no! Woo! It's a little hot. Oh, they're wheeling us out.
Dépêchez-vous! Par ici! Go! Go!
Ah!
Il va aussi me falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la carte. Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino.
Little for you, drink this way. You are always welcome at the bistro chez Remy. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Be sure to grab all your stuff and watch your step as you exit. Goodbye.
The milk smells scared.
Don't forget to drop off your glasses.
The ride's exit takes us back to the fountain courtyard area, where you can find even more intricate details, like the sewer manhole covers showing Remy and other characters from the movie. If you want to experience this ride without a large wait, I highly recommend coming here either right at park opening or later in the evening. I enjoyed this ride immensely, but I do not think it is worth more than a 30-minute wait. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this ride video and tour. Check out some of my other videos showing many different destinations. More videos are coming soon, Dave's Roadies. Until next time, laters.